Welcome to this week's video. My name is Sarah and I own LV Fine Soaps, a luxury handmade soap candle product business out of Maryland. This week I have a little soap video for you. I don't know that I would necessarily call it a tutorial. I just filmed like the process of me making it. I have attempted to make this design of soap before, and it turned out terribly. I actually ended up rebatching it and making this video that you can find here on my channel. So we are coming in with a fresh start, new fragrance, colors, and we're going to attempt to make an ombre designed soap. Now, for this design, I am going to be using the Swan and Dolphin fragrance from OMBRE Fine Fragrance. I don't know how it's going to act in soap. I've used it in a sugar scrub, and it's a very popular fragrance for sugar scrubs, hoping that it will transfer over to soap just fine, and we won't have any issues of acceleration or ricing, seizing, any of those things. Now, if you just stumbled upon my channel and you're not sure what any of those things mean or any of those terms mean, I do have an upcoming series I would love to invite you to attend. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, and then once I start posting them, you will get notified that they are there. So that is like a cold process soaper transformation series. It has 10 videos in total and a downloadable PDF guidebook to help walk you through it. It's like a guide and workbook combination. Please subscribe so you don't miss when I start posting that. The great news is that the bar actually does end up turning out super well. Like, spoiler alert, the bar ends up looking really, really nice. This is what it looks like as a finished product. Here is what the bar itself looks like. This one for me is not retail ready because I haven't labeled it, and I also have not wrapped it in my special wrapping. Stick around, watch the pour, and I'll see you for the cut. Let's get into it. welcome back. It is the next day. We're here in my studio and we're going to cut and reveal this bar here. Now, I'm a little nervous because the last time I made a soap with this, trying to make an ombre soap, it turned out terribly and I ended up needing to rebatch it, which is where this video here came from. So let's go ahead, open her up. Wish me